Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Great English Media. So today I would like to show you about how to introduce yourself for the first day at college. So in here, this video, it is about the tips how to introduce yourself in the class, the way how to use the words to speak. Okay, so now the first one is about the self-introduction. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce yourself. So in here, this one, the first tips. Next, my name is. Please put your name here. I am basically from Cambodia, but currently residing at Singapore. Let me tell you about my schooling. I studied at. Please put your name. It is about school name. Here, this one. I completed my junior college education from the school name here. Now, when I have enrolled myself for graduation in this college. Next, I am very excited and happy to be here. About my family, I have 5 members in my family. My father is. So here is one. We have to put your father job, or we can say your father profession, and my mother the same. Mother occupation and mother job. I have 2 sisters. Both of my siblings are elder to me and have got married. My hobbies are watching movies, listening music, playing games, reading interesting facts about anything, and helping needy person. I am a kind of a person who believes in honesty and punctuality. My active participation in sports has taught me many skills. That's all about me. Thank you for your watching.